Movie review. Run. American Horror Story star Sarah Paulson's thriller is a wild, twisted ride. American Horror Story star Sarah Paulson's new movie Run, not to be confused with the HBO comedy of the same name, was another of 2020's movies affected by the current global situation. The thriller about a mother who has a very twisted idea of love for her daughter was originally set for a fitting Mother's Day cinema release in the US, before cinemas closing down put paid to that. It came out on Hulu in the US in November, and the wait in the UK is finally over as it's out now on Netflix. As great as it would have been to see Run on the big screen, the thriller doesn't lose any of its edge with its streaming premiere. If anything, there is an added relevance given that, like most of the people watching, it's about a person who is effectively stuck in their own home due to circumstances out of their control. And whether it was on the big or small screen, Run still has the goods to keep you on the edge of your seat, constantly in the dark at what wild turn the thriller will make next. With a lean runtime of 90 minutes, Run wastes little time in setting up its premise and remains propulsive throughout. After a montage of an ordinary day for Diane Paulson and her daughter Chloe, newcomer Kira Allen, it doesn't take long for Chloe and the audience to get suspicious of the reasons why Chloe is being kept in total isolation by her mother, as she has been since birth. An errant pharmacy receipt starts Chloe questioning everything she thought about her life, leading her to uncover secrets that will forever change her relationship with her mother. Does mother really know best? The unexpected joy with Run is that it's barely 30 minutes in when it plays its, admittedly very guessable, hand. You are expecting it to drag out the revelation, but it blindsides you with it and sets the stage for a thriller that will keep you guessing as it takes increasingly wild turns. Anyone who's seen the innovative Searching will know that director Anish Chaganty and co-writer Saif Ohania know how to deliver a surprise. Run takes this up a notch as you are so convinced what the movie's reveal will be that you forget to think about the numerous other dark turns it'll take. At times, things do get a bit trashy and ridiculous, but Run's strength lies in the casting of Sarah Paulson and its ace in the deck Kira Allen, who delivers an outstanding debut performance. Their characters in the credits are referred to as mother and daughter, and in truth, they don't get much fleshing out in the script. However, Paulson and Allen are so committed to the roles that they round out what could be thin stereotype roles and ensure that the ludicrous twists are met with shock and not an eye roll. There is few better around than Paulson at playing a slightly off-center role, so it'll be no surprise to people that she's magnetic in Run. What will be a surprise is the performance of Allen, managing to hold her own against Paulson in what is effectively a two-hander movie. An added freshness is added to the role of Chloe in that Allen is a wheelchair user, marking the first time a wheelchair user has starred in a major thriller in more than 70 years, according to the press notes. Though we think Christopher Reeve might have disputed that claim had the elastic word major not provided a get-out regarding the 1998 remake of Rear Window. It adds an authenticity to the scenes when Chloe has to use ingenious methods to escape from Diane. Allen's performance means you are fully on her side, I'm paralyzed, feel bad for me, and willing her to survive, crucial in such a lean and pared-back thriller. Hopefully, it's the start of a prominent career for her. Run might not have the innovation of Searching, but it's every bit as gripping and confirms director Anish Chaganty as an exciting talent to watch. It's an old-school thriller told expertly that refuses to let you settle, elevated by two excellent performances from Sarah Paulson and Kira Allen. If it was in the cinemas, we would say Run, don't walk to the next screening, but as it is, you'll just have to run to your TV instead.
Okay, please support by subscribing to our channel and clicking the like button. See you in the next video.